Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your PC or laptop in just a few easy steps. This is helpful if you're new to Steam or you just want a simple step-by-step guide that you can follow without getting confused. So let's get started. So first, open up your browser and search for Steam. Click the first link that shows up, and this should be the official Steam website. And once you're on the site, click Install Steam to download the setup file. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to use the website because it's basically the same process as using the app. Next, use the search bar at the top and type Euro Truck Simulator 2. When you see the game in the results, click on it. Now, scroll down and click Add to Cart. And after that, go to your cart and continue payment. Choose your preferred payment option. Enter the required details and complete the purchase. And also make sure everything looks correct before you confirm, since this is the part where you're paying. After you buy the game, go to your library in Steam. You'll see Euro Truck Simulator 2 there. Click the game, choose install, and wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, just click play and start enjoying the game. And that's all for this video. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.